Hey guys, today we have 4 trains from Chuggington Die Cast. Chuggington is a British children's computer animated television series, and you can see it on BBC and Disney Channel and Disney Junior. Alright, let's open it up and have some train fun. So here they are. Now let's meet them one by one. This is Piper. Piper is an American cab-forward tank steam engine. On her first day, she was crowded by all the chuggers as Morgan got her to work. When she started working, Toot was given the job of touring her around Chuggington. Piper is very young, and that makes her very inexperienced. She struggles to train, but if she tries very hard, she can do it in the end. She's very friendly to younger chuggers and is very forgiving, like when Toot left her in the busy depot. Next we have Irving. Irving is a medium-sized Red American stunning hybrid engine who handles the recycling chores around Chuggington. He has a recycling area off the main depot, and Irving may look a little snappish, but he can be very helpful to others. He's an adult chugger with a perfectionist streak. He is also very proud of his work at the recycling center and boasts that nothing is ever thrown away in Chuggington, and he often speaks in the third person. Thanks, Chuggington. Chuggington says thank you. Next we have Koko. Now this is a special edition Koko. This is Soap Suds Koko. Now Koko is a Japanese electric engine. She's an advanced trainee and is one of the main characters of Chuggington. Koko is completely electric and uses her own power directly from the tracks beneath her. She'll often challenge others to a race, knowing full well that they don't stand a chance. Now Koko loves going flat out, whooshing ahead of others, and has yet to learn that speed isn't everything. Koko is very confident and loves to explore and have adventures. And although she's mischievous, she is well-meaning and gets upset if she causes her friends to get in trouble. She's an express engine built for speed and pulling passengers. Thanks, Koko. And here we have Decka. Decka is a double-decker chugga, and she's the only double-decker tram in Chuggington. Decka is also the only chugger that has mirrors attached. Now, because Decka carries passengers, she has a sign that can change pictures. Decka is also like a young mom to the trainees and has a vibrant personality. Everybody loves her. Thanks, Decka. Now this is just the start of a huge set that you can collect with lots of different characters from Chuggington. And this is our first video, and we'll have lots more other trains to show you in future videos. So thanks for watching today, and we look forward to more great toy testing and lots more Chuggington trains on Toy Tester Tom. Talk to you soon!